This is going to be a short video. I just want to share with you the outcome of my papaya air layering. This is supposed to be part 3 and final. So what happened, I did air layering on 2 papaya plants, and then we had a high wind, heavy rain, and they all broke. And I rescued one of them. I thought there were some roots, but I discovered that there were no roots at all. And I decided to put it in a container just to see if it would develop any roots. So as you can see, it's already dead and dried. So it's an experiment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.